Hey little buddies, my lovely kids. Hey, how are you? Yes, I know you are lot enjoying at home. Luckily we all got number of holidays. I know my candies love holidays. Hope enjoying a lot with number of toys, number of dolls and number of playthings. Enjoying with your parents in a very lovely atmosphere. Hey children, you had lot much enjoyment, and now from today onwards let's enjoy with learning. I know you have learned lot many things in the previous year. You have learned alphabet, you have learned words, you have learned numbers, you have learned additions, you have learned subtractions. Oh, not less. You have learned so many things. And now let me have a revision of all the things that you have learned in the previous session. Yes, children. Welcome to online classes. Welcome to fun-filled activities. Welcome to fun-filled learning. Yes? Then why delay? Let's get started. Yes. Look at the screen, everybody. I welcome all my buddies for learning session. Learning session S. Yes, children? Yes. And today's session deals with ENS, that is environmental science. And see on the screen, I have lot many things on the screen for you. Yes, what do you see on the screen? Yes, hope everybody got it. Hope everybody has understood. It's all about sense organs. Yes, children. We have 5 sense organs. Let me tell you what are those. Yes, children. Here there is tongue. We taste with the tongue. Yes, I love tasting ice creams. I love tasting chocos. And you love tasting milk, you love tasting lollipop. Yes, they are very sweet. Yes, the other one is your ears. How many ears do you have? Every one of us have 2 ears. What do you do with ears? We hear. We hear to the music, we hear to the sound. Yes, we have lot much enjoyment by listening to the music on TV. Yes, the next one is eyes. Every one of us have 2 eyes, isn't it? Yes, touch your eyes. Count how many eyes do you have? Yes, all of us have 2 eyes. And what do you do with your eyes? Yes, we see with our eyes. We see apples, we see mangoes, we see pictures, we see everything with 2 beautiful eyes and enjoy. Yes, what is the next one? It's a nose. Count how many nose do you have? Every one of us have 1 nose. Yes, you people really have pretty nose. Yes, what do you do with your nose? You smell. How do you smell? How do you smell? Smell for me? Yes, you smell beautiful flowers. You smell the fruits, isn't it? Because they are very sweet when smelt. Yes, the next one is skin. Yes, everybody love to have very healthy skin, isn't it? we all follow so many good habits to keep one's skin healthy. Yes, skin. What is the function of skin? Yes, we stimulate, we respond when somebody touch you. You feel pain, you feel relaxed, isn't it? You feel everything because your skin stimulates or respond when touched. Yes, children, these are the 5 sense organs. Yes, let me repeat so that you can have good practice. Yes, let me repeat the sense organs. How many sense organs are there? See the screen and count them. 1, that is your tongue. Second one, that is your ear. Everybody of us have 2 ears. And the third one is eyes. We have 2 eyes. And the fourth one is nose. We have 1 nose. And the last one is skin. Isn't it? So understood? Yes, I know. All my lovely ones have understood. Understood that we have 5 sense organs. And you all know what are those sense organs, and you all know what we do with our sense organs. Yes, children, we taste with our tongue, we smell with our nose, we see with our eyes, we hear with our ears, we touch with our skin. Isn't it? Skin responds, skin stimulates. Yes, children, I know. I promised you that I will make my session. I promised you that I am going to make my sessions joyful, fun-filled, playway. Yes. Here there is a video for you. Watch the video to derive a lot of fun and happiness. Let's start.
Our topic for today is sense organs. Our 5 sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. We are able to learn, understand, and enjoy all the things around us because of our
Yes, hope everybody loved it. Yes, I know, children, you love videos, you love interaction with videos, and that is why I have brought a lot of fun learning in this session. Yes, children, by this time, all my lovely ones might have understood that we have 5 sense organs and you can spell out them, you can identify them, and to add little more fun to your learning, you do one thing. I am going to give you an interesting task. Do you want to know what is it? Yes, lovely children. Take a piece of paper, draw your lovely face with a pencil, and draw all the 5 sense organs and color them, label them, and do have a lot of fun. Are you going to do this? Yes. Yes, children, I know that you love doing this and you will be doing this, and that is all about this session. Catch you up in the next session. Have a great day.